Hello everyone. These past couple of days, many people have been asking about that 1/48 scale harm. He's here. Let's take a look. I don't know which generation of the 1/48 scale ham we should make. In fact, the ham has released models A through E, all the way up to the E model. And recently, we have been examining that G-type ham. It might be a bit thicker but shorter. The G in the harm that can fit into the F-35 is the AGM-88G. Then this one might be Type E. It's the 8 small hatches on the warhead that open in an incredibly realistic way. It has 8 small hatches. I have no idea what the situation is. Then you see this one is a bit more square. Then bring 2 that are a bit longer. Here is another one that is a bit square. Then there seems to be a small hatch on this side of the head. See? Then its warhead has a curve. So this side is attached using rivets. I wonder if everyone has noticed these two things. This one and this one are slightly indented. This is for everyone's convenience to hand paint. The two are one blue and one yellow, which is hams. The wire on the body of the spring. But actually, when you look at it from the side, it's not very noticeable. It doesn't look very deep from the side. It's convenient for hand application. Because 2 slots were left open, everyone will find it very convenient to paint by hand. When it comes to hand painting, recently, there has been one that's been really popular. Basically, many model bloggers are reviewing the markers. It's this marker. We are also preparing for a deep review recently. Afterwards, with a responsible attitude towards everyone. We will prepare a detailed review video for you after conducting a thorough evaluation. Then let's not take it out for now. Let's talk about ham. After reaching a 48:1 ratio, the details are much better. The rivets at the back are all visible. Everyone, please look at the anchor bolt for the reinforcing rib at the back. Then, the details of the entire slide rail are quite okay. Then it inherits the excellent details from before. You can hang bombs. It can simulate carrying missiles. How about it? Can everyone see? Simulated missile loading. It's on. And it is relatively loose. Relatively loose. Convenient for everyone to paint and still be able to hang it up afterwards. That's it for this video. Harm at 1/48 scale is here.